So guys, this is quite early in the morning, like it is at least early for me. It is almost 9 a.m. in the morning and I just woke up and I thought of sharing with you guys like how I clean my face when I wake up in the morning using products which are under rupees 20 or for. So I have been trying, I have been searching for a few of the products which are under rupees 20, and finally I found some of them which are under rupees 20. So let's start. So for face wash I'm going to be using this one from Joy. This is the Joy Skin Fruit Spray. I had to squeeze it out really hard to get the wash for myself. So I'm taking this much only, and this cost just rupees 20, and this is an amazing face wash. Like few days back I did one from Patanjali and I love all those products, but I'm following Patanjali regularly, and also I use the Joy at times, like whenever I feel like I get bored using the same types of product. I'd like to change it, so this is a more affordable option. So I'm taking this much of the face wash. This is almost over. See guys, it foams so much. I really love the way this face wash foams, and it gives you a very cooling sensation onto your face. And this face wash is really good in cleaning away all the excess amount of oil, pollution, dirt, whatever you have on your face. So now that I'm done with massaging the face wash onto my skin, I'm going to be washing it with water. So as you guys can see, my skin feels pretty clean and nice. And then I've also managed to find a scrub under rupees 20. Like it is not under 20, it is just for rupees 20. So this is again the Joy scrub. This is the Skin Fruits Gentle Exfoliating Apricot Scrub from Joy. This retails for 20 rupees only, and I'm going to be taking this much amount. I have used it like 2 to 3 times before, and the granules of this scrub is like very small, and there are like a lot of granules in it, which is quite good. It effectively scrubs your face. So now I'm done with the scrubbing, and then I'm going to be washing it with water. So guys, scrubbing is done, and like I also like to tone my face. I really like using toners, but under rupees 20 I did not find any good toners. So for that, today I'm going to be using rose water from Dabur Gulabari. So I've already pat dried my face, and what I'm going to do is take some amount of rose water onto my palm and just dab it. Dab it like that. After toning, I also love to give my skin some kind of packs, face packs and all. So for rupees 20 I managed to get another like face pack from Joy. This is the Kesar Chandan Natural Fairness face pack, which retails for rupees 20, and I got it from a nearby store, grocery shop I guess. So guys, actually few days back I did that Patanjali skincare routine. Now I do follow that regularly, but the thing is that I mean, at times I do get bored of using the same kind of products every day. So I try to mix and match things. I try to use some other products some other day. So I was actually looking for some affordable skincare products, like with which we can do our daily morning routine, and all of the products are travel size. None of them are full size, because obviously you don't expect to get anything, a full size product for rupees 20. No, that's not possible. But they're really good products. They're really good, and I'm using them. And this Joy face wash is something which I've been using since childhood. So guys, you see I've already applied the face pack, and I'm going to be waiting for 10 to 15 minutes till it dries up. And even if it doesn't dry within 15 minutes, I'm just going to be washing it off, and I'll get back to you after it dries up. So guys, it is almost like 15 minutes, and this is completely dried down, and this is like quite nice. I really like the smell of it. It smells so much of chandan, and I'm really liking it. So I'm going to be washing my face. So guys, I'm done with my face cleanup using products which are just under rupees 20 or for rupees 20. So lastly, I'm going to be moisturizing my face with this Joy Skin Fruit Active Moisturizer, and this is how it looks like. This is quite a soft moisturizer, and I really like it as a face moisturizer. So that's pretty much it. So I'm done with my face cleanup using products which are under rupees 220 or for rupees 20, and you see it is looking quite nice and good, and it has cleaned up my face quite nicely. I really love using them, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and help me to reach 1000 subscribers, because I'm really close to it. So please do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.